What's up? We'd had air conditioning issues again. Mold and mildew. I got it good this time though. See that hose there? That's our old, I think that might be our original drinking hose. I don't know. It's pretty old. Well, it had a bad end on. So I ran down and got this. But I got the wrong size, but hey, it worked. A little bit of a leak. No biggie. No biggie at all. But I use this to blast it out. Check this out. Hold on, let me get a good grip on it because it'll take off. Wait a minute. Here we go. Check this out. Look at that. Turn it off. We don't pay for water here. But yeah, I use that to blast the internal guts of the air conditioner. It's spotless in there now. It's pretty noisy over there, so I'm not going to go over there. It's running right now. And let me hang this back up. For right now. And turn this water off. This is the spigot next to our site. Our site right here. Each site's got two. So rather than go on the other side and use the other one, I just use this one. Look, all that. She's looking in front of Bobby. All that was inside that air conditioner. It was nasty. Though some of that might be mud. From where maybe I hit the water with the ground with the water. But that's the direction that I blasted it. That's the new hose. I picked this up today. Just a cheapie, $10. Because one's really not, I can get most of the panels, but can't get them all. Equally, I guess. I don't know. But this is 50 foot, and it was $10. Just a cheapie. That's all it's for is cleaning. It'll probably kink like crazy. I don't know. But here, man, there's great water pressure coming out here, as you can see. I'm gonna blast the nose of Bobby off, get him all demudded. What else? Oh, the air conditioner. Yeah, I took that hose, took it all apart, used that hose, hosed it all out. It's all spick and span, and you can eat off of it inside there. Knocked all the mildew mold out of it. Looks brand new. It's running like a champ now because the mold and mildew started to show back up again on the one side. I also put a little bit more of a ramp on the gutter that I bit down for it. And to cure the mold and mildew problem, hopefully, let's see what the sunset looks like. Not real spectacular tonight. Not a whole lot going on in the RV park. But we took foam that came with the air conditioner, and there was a gap between the grate, and here comes a car down the road. There was a gap between the grate and the metal casing, I guess, and the filter. And so the filter was actually filtering. There's the moon. But there was a gap letting stuff behind the filter. So I'm hoping I cured that. I might be able to show you that. But if I can get under the table and look at it. Not a cloud in the sky. It's pop. Hopefully that breeze ain't too bad. Here comes another car down the road. But now I stuffed some foam in there that came with the air conditioner. I really like that bus. To maybe take care of that gap, see if it sucks anything else in between there. Hopefully not. Hopefully that's all fixed. Because it was nasty, and that was causing it to plug up. And then causing the moisture, and then throwing the moisture back in there, and causing Becky some breathing issues, so that had to be addressed. I heard that again. Gunshots in the neighborhood. No, I don't think that was gunshots. It was a pop, though. 2 of them. But we paid the last rent today. No rent next month. We're paid up to the 15th. 30 days. We'll be back out in the LTVA. Well, really nothing going on. But yep, 30 days left. And then LTVA, here we come. Well, anyway, I am going to go, I'll show you guys the foam that we stuck in there. Alrighty, give me a minute. Okie dokie, we're under the table. See? That's why ain't nobody getting in this rig. That air conditioner is pretty much locked down with that table. Anyway, that's the foam. Right. You can see the foam right there. Yep, right there. We put that on the bottom, shoved it up in there because stuff was getting up behind there and getting behind the filter. And it was really plugging the grate up. But we're hoping that takes care of it. Fingers crossed. We'll know in a month. But, alright, I gotta get them underneath this table. Becky was kind of wishing she videoed me getting under here, but nope, didn't happen.
You might be stuck.
Nope, I'm not stuck.
I ain't helping you. I'll be
Alright,
Googling.
later.